Nature has a strange sense of humor. Some animals are beautiful, others are terrifying, and then there are the ones that make you say, "Wait, what am I looking at?" We'll explore some of the strangest and most unusual animals on Earth, uncovering their weird adaptations that will make you see nature in a whole new way. In the forests of Madagascar, there's a primate that looks like a mix between a gremlin, a bat, and a squirrel, the aye-aye. It belongs to the lemur family, making it a distant relative of monkeys and apes. It has huge, glowing eyes that help it see in the dark, and its extra-long middle finger is unlike anything found in other primates. This finger is thin, skeletal, and highly flexible. The aye-aye taps on tree bark to locate insects hiding underneath, a process called percussive foraging. It's like a woodpecker listening for insects inside. The aye-aye's brain is highly adapted for sensory processing, especially for interpreting sound vibrations from tapping. Its fingers are so sensitive that its brain's somatosensory cortex has a disproportionately large area dedicated to touch perception. Once it finds a tasty grub, it gnaws through the wood with its rodent-like teeth, then hooks the insect out with its specialized finger. With its large, glowing eyes, bat-like ears, and an impossibly long, bony finger, the aye-aye is one of the strangest primates in the world. Now, let's talk about one of the most dramatic show-offs in the animal kingdom, the frigatebird. This seabird is famous for its massive red throat pouch. Only the males have this pouch, and they use it for one thing: impressing the ladies. During mating season, male frigatebirds gather in large groups, and they inflate their throat pouch like a red balloon. They tilt their head back, shake their pouch, and vibrate their wings, creating an irresistible display. To top it off, they let out deep, drumming calls, almost like a low-pitched jungle beat, to grab the female's attention. And the females soar overhead, scanning for the biggest, brightest pouch and the most enthusiastic performance. The larger and redder the pouch, the healthier the male appears, so the most impressive males get the best mates. Frigatebirds are also expert thieves. Instead of catching their own food, they often steal fish from other seabirds, earning them the nickname pirate birds. If aliens existed on Earth, this is probably what they'd look like. This bizarre mole, found in North America, is the star-nosed mole, a small burrowing animal with the weirdest nose in the world. But those tentacle-like appendages serve a vital purpose. Its star-shaped nose allows it to hunt without using its eyes, as its eyesight is nearly useless underground. Its 22 fleshy tentacles contain over 25,000 Eimer's organs, which are specialized mechanoreceptors for detecting prey. The star-nose structure is the most touch-sensitive organ in the entire animal kingdom, even more sensitive than a human fingertip. It can process tactile information as fast as the human visual system processes sight. It can identify and consume prey in as little as 120 milliseconds, making it the fastest-known foraging mammal. Unlike other moles, it is an excellent swimmer and can even hunt in freezing water. The star-nosed mole has the ability to smell underwater by exhaling tiny air bubbles over objects and re-inhaling them. It's one of the few mammals that can smell underwater. Most frogs blend into their surroundings with green or brown skin, but the glass frog takes camouflage to the next level. It's almost completely see-through. These tiny frogs, found in Central and South America, are translucent because of their unique skin, which allows light to pass through. You can literally see its organs, bones, beating heart, and its stomach digesting food. This translucency helps it blend into its surroundings, providing camouflage against predators. It's believed that the frog's semi-transparent appearance helps break up its outline, making it harder for predators to detect, especially when it rests on leaves. Recent research suggests that glass frogs can shift their red blood cells into their liver while sleeping, making them appear 50% more transparent. Males are highly territorial and will guard eggs against predators. Wasps are among the biggest threats to glass frog eggs as they prey on the soft, developing embryos. Some species have been observed kicking and swiping at wasps to knock them away from the eggs. Ever seen a fish that looks like it just put on bright red lipstick? Here's the red-lipped batfish. Its bright red lips make it look like it's wearing lipstick. Some speculate it's to attract mates. It also has small whisker-like barbels on its face, which may help it sense its environment on the ocean floor. While it doesn't have a beard in the way mammals do, these barbels give it a somewhat bearded appearance. It is found only in the Galapagos Islands, at depths of 30 to 120 meters. And if you thought fish were supposed to be good swimmers, think again. The red-lipped batfish prefers to walk instead. This bizarre fish is a terrible swimmer and instead walks along the ocean floor using its modified pectoral fins. It mostly drags itself around the seafloor like a grumpy underwater hiker. Despite its odd body structure and movements, it's actually a carnivorous predator, using a tiny bioluminescent lure, the Elysium, on its head to attract small fish. This bird's name is already weird, but wait until you see its feet. Meet the blue-footed booby, a bird whose claim to fame is its incredibly blue feet, and it absolutely loves to show them off. Their feet are blue due to carotenoid pigments obtained from their diet of fresh fish. The bluer a male's feet, the more attractive he is to females. Native to the Galapagos Islands and parts of the Pacific, this bird performs a hilarious mating dance. Males perform a high-stepping dance, lifting their feet one at a time to show off their dazzling blue color. They extend their wings, whistle, and bow in an exaggerated display. Sometimes the male stretches his neck upward and points his beak to the sky, spreading his wings slightly and whistling. They even offer small nest materials like twigs or pebbles to impress the female. If a female is impressed, she responds by mimicking his movements and eventually allows him to mate. The name booby comes from the Spanish word bobo, meaning foolish, a reference to their clumsy, awkward movements on land. Unlike other butterflies, this one doesn't rely on bright colors for defense. It vanishes into thin air. At first glance, the glass-winged butterfly looks like it has no wings at all. Instead of vibrant colors, this butterfly has nearly transparent wings, making it one of the hardest insects to spot in the wild. Unlike normal butterflies, it doesn't have colored scales on its wings. Instead of reflecting light, its wings scatter it in a way that prevents glare, making the butterfly nearly invisible to predators. The secret to their transparency? Anti-reflective nanostructures on their wings break up light waves, making the wings nearly transparent and preventing reflection. The glass-winged butterfly is one of the most delicate and mysterious insects on Earth, a true natural illusionist. These weird and unusual animals prove just how bizarre and fascinating life on Earth can be. But if you thought these creatures were strange, wait until you see what lurks in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. Click on the video on your screen and prepare yourself for a journey into the most mysterious and eerie world on our planet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal discoveries.